Welcome to Quiz Conflux.
Today's challenge, can you guess the American Sign Language alphabet? Watch closely, test your skills, and see if you're an ASL pro. Can you guess this letter? The answer is B. What ASL letter is shown? Correct letter G. Which ASL letter is this? Yes, right one. Q. Guess this American Sign Language letter. That's correct. L. Which letter is this sign? Yes, you got it. I. What letter does this mean? Correct. Letter W. This ASL alphabet sign. Yes, that's A. Which ASL alphabet is this? You're right, it's N. You can guess the ASL letter here. You got it. X. What ASL sign is this? Right. The answer is Y. Which alphabet sign is this? Good job. That's D. Guess the ASL alphabet shown. Great. That's V. Which letter hand sign this? Yes, it's Z. Identify this American Sign Language. Nicely done, that's H. Guess which ASL letter shown. The letter S. Which ASL sign is this? Identify this ASL alphabet letter. Right answer, letter J. Which alphabet is this sign? Guess the American Sign Language. Perfect, it's R. What alphabet letter is this? Yes, answer is E. Can you guess this alphabet? Correct answer, O. Identify this letter in ASL. Yes, the letter's M. V. Which ASL letter shown here? Perfect, it's F. Guess which ASL sign here? It's letter C. What letter sign is this? The answer is B. Identify this ASL alphabet sign. Yes, the answer is U.